Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to do start Google Classroom with the PC. It's really helpful if you do with the PC. It will be good for you. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to join your Gmail account. You have to log in your Gmail account with your ID. Then you have to click here. Then you have to go to the classroom. Then Google Classroom will open for you like this. Screen is just appearing now. Here you see already I have created lots of class here. To create class from here, you just have to go here. Two options are here, join class and create class. So create, you will go here. Then you have to accept the term and condition, then continue. Then you have to write the class name, section, subject, room, whatever information is required here. Then click on this create button. So already it has been created here. I will click here cancel button. Now to enter inside your class, like 12A I am entering here. See, from here class code, you can view your class code. If you want to change your theme, you can select also your theme. Different themes are there. You can choose any theme, like I am changing this. Suppose that this one, select class theme. See, theme changed. Now to give classwork to your students, here all options are there. So first, see stream, it's just you can see your home page through the stream. Whatever you have published, whatever information, that will be visible here. Then second one is classwork. From here option will come create. You can give assignment, quiz assignment, question, material. For assignment you have to click over here. Then you put title here, title of your assignment. Then instruction is optional, what instruction you want to give. And add button, here you can take file from the Google Drive, link or file. Link means suppose that if you have to give any video link, you copy that link and paste over here. If you want to give file, just click over here. Then you select files from your device. In your computer where you have kept your file, you just select it, and as you will select, it will come here and you have to upload here. Now I am not uploading anything. So then after that, assign. You can assign works to different students for 12A all students. Here you can select individual students also, like different tasks to different students. If you select all, then this will be assigned to all students. If you want to select few students, you can select from here. Then see the points. Points means it's total 100. How many marks question you want to give? You can give it 10, 20, 50 as per your wish. Then you see due date. Due date, from here you can select and give the date and time. Time also will come, due date, and after that time will come. And topic. Topic you can give here, what type of topic you want to give. After that you can click this assign button. Then task will be assigned to the students. So as task will be assigned, students say, you can see in the stream page, like here different task has been assigned. I have given here one task. If you want to post any message to your student, you can click over here, share something with your class. Here you can write your class sharing content. If you want to attach file here, from here you can attach file also from Google Drive, from link, from file, from YouTube. You can give the comment over here, then you can post, then it will published like this. You can see here I have published message here, different messages are here, you can read. So in this way, very easily through the computer, more things are there. Please, just I want to share more things with you. Like you have assigned your works, like in this people section. People section, you can see how many students are there. See, all the students list are visible here. If you want to assign different teachers also, like I have shared one more teacher here. So from here, if you want to mail any students, you can email from here. Email a student, you can mail to that students. You have to provide their email ID, then you can give to them. Then suppose that you want to remove this student, here remove option is there, mute option is there. As per your requirement you can do from here. Currently I am not doing anything with this. Now see, whatever classworks you will assign to the students, for them when they will submit the assignment, grading system is here and you can give grade to them and the list will be displayed here. Like see, last question I have given on April 19 and here out of 10 I have given marks. So see all the marks of students, and current work is this one, and now I have to give marks to them. So after giving marks it will be published here. So these are the four main sections are here: stream, classwork, people and grades. So as per your requirement you can do it. More things are there, but for starting, who just want to start with the PC Google Classroom, that's enough. Thank you very much.